Here's a little later model car for you to check out at Unique Specialty and Classics. Once in a while, we'll get a good customer or an estate that will contact us about possibly getting a car sold for them, and that is what the deal is here. This is a one-owner 2015 Mazda 3 touring sedan. A little over 33,000 miles on it. Does have a clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirming the miles. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures of this car, check out the interior, underside, engine bay. We have it shot up just like any of our classics that we sell also. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. As far as condition of the car, you can see as well as I do through the video and the pictures. It is in nice shape. You have your typical black. You may have a few just little tiny rock chips that you'll get here and there in the hood and a little bit over in the driver's door, I did notice. But overall, pretty free of nicks, dings, or scratches. Riding on alloy wheels. Of course, this would have all the amenities of a modern car with power steering, power brakes, AC, of course, power windows, power mirrors. And there's some more on this. I'm going to get into that just a little bit here. This would have the Sky Active technology engine, which is a 2-liter inline 4-cylinder with dual overhead cam. And that engine is exclusive to Mazda. Improved fuel economy, cleaner exhaust emissions are some of the things that engine will achieve with how it is set up to combust in the cylinders. If you want to read about it, you're sure welcome to. It's kind of an interesting technology, and again, cleaner burning, more fuel efficient engine, exclusive to Mazda. And that automatic is paired with a 6-speed shiftable automatic transmission. Of course, this would be a front wheel drive car. Rear storage area in the trunk would be expanded by flipping down the rear seats, which is easy to do with 2 handles that you can reach and pull in the trunk. Now, of course, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation all over the country, and this vehicle will be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. This car's had a spacious interior, actually first in its class. This one will also have the power sunroof or moonroof, depending on what you would like to call it. There's a glass roof that is power retractable. Does have the touch screen stereo navigation style system. And it does have the iDrive light control on the center console. Also steering wheel touch controls. Let's go ahead and check out this interior. This was adult owned and driven. Unfortunately, it is now being sold for the state. Bose stereo system. You can see the seats. Also in nice shape. What you'd expect with a car with this kind of miles on it. All right, let's go ahead and start this up. Show you the exact miles. Close the door on this one. All right, here's your exact miles. 35,392. Touch screen. Stereo does work, and it can be also ran from down here as far as volume, changing any of the controls. That's kind of like the iDrive on the BMWs, as well as steering wheel controls here for volume and for information. Change channels. Would have dual electronic climate control. There's your shiftable automatic transmission. All right. Mute that stereo a second. Take a look at the dash. Nice shape also. Again, 2015 with 35,000 miles on it. Condition is what you would expect. And clean Carfax. No accidents indicated. Confirms miles. Sounds as you would expect. I'm going to go ahead and pop this hood. I'll show you the engine bay like we do on the rest of our cars here too. So hold on a second. I'm going to pop this hood and let's check out the engine bay.
Hey, Did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There's the 2-liter Skyactiv technology engine. And again, 4-cylinder, dual overhead cam engine. Very responsive engines with that Skyactiv technology. There you can see, nice, clean example. Well taken care of. One owner, 2015 Mazda 3 touring sedan. Nicely equipped. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, we do consider trades. Maybe you got a classic you want to trade in and get a more modern car. Financing is available. This vehicle will be eligible for an extended service contract, and we can sure assist with the transportation of this throughout the lower 48 states. Give us a call. Look forward to hearing from you.